So for those of you who utilized last night's game plan, you should have had a phenomenal green day. That game plan that I gave you played out to perfection. Once the SPY ended up forming a red bearish 30-minute candlestick confirmation towards the 595 level, surely enough, it was a great opportunity to buy put options to play for the gap that was waiting to fill below. Uncle Tio is the one who ended up calling out the play in real time. We ended up buying SPX puts at the exact lows, making a 500% profit return and leaving a runner to run selling for a 1000% profit return in less than 30 minutes. After that, once the SPY closed the gap, we were planning to buy calls for the gap close reversal. I ended up buying SPY call options a little bit too early, selling for a small 20% win. The timing was a bit off. As my trade was down, Uncle Tio ended up buying SPX call options, and he bought these calls at the exact lows, selling for a 300% profit return. And then in terms of my final trade on the day, I ended up buying SPY call options at the exact lows during power hour trading session, making a 100% profit return in 2 minutes. You guys are well aware in terms of when I trade best during the power hour trading session. In terms of G-Roar, he started off the day with one red trade, and then he finished very, very strong over a 150% profit return during the power hour trading session, buying SPX call options shortly after I ended up making a 100% profit return on SPY call options during the power hour trading session. If you were to add up all of our gains collectively, it is over 1,400% profit return on the day. With that being said, for those of you who are serious about making money, make sure you are subscribed to this channel. One thing that I'm going to provide to you is the best money-making levels to be trading at within the stock market. If you use my levels and you use the confirmations that I'm teaching you, the curriculum at my overall levels, right? You're determining if it's a bullish or bearish pattern. You're determining if it's forming a bullish, reacting bullish floor, reacting bearish resistance at the overall levels. If you use these game plans, you should start to become self-sufficient enough where you can make money on your own, man. So with that being said, we're going to get straight into the game plan. Then I'm going to walk you through the trades that we ended up making on the day, man. So in terms of the game plan, this is going to be very, very simple, man. In terms of how the SPY ended up playing out, it was just like this. You can see we had this move to the right side during extended hours. We had this move to the right side during extended hours, which is why I told you if we start to react bearish towards that market open and the SPY starts to crack below 595, forming the red bearish 30-minute candlestick confirmations, it's going to start to sell off hard to fill the gap. It's going to start to sell off hard to fill the gap that was waiting to fill below at 5,195. And then once it closes that gap, it's going to start to reverse. Once it closes this gap, it's going to start to have many bounces, which it did. And then I told you if you see the SPY forming lower highs, which it did, it cracked right here, and then it formed lower highs right here, red bearish 30-minute candlestick confirmation right here, previous support to react as a resistance. Buy puts, it's going to push lower. Buy puts, it's going to push lower. And then I told you later into the day, there's going to be an oversold dip buying opportunity where the SPY is going to start to spike. That pattern that I showed you on January 2nd played out to an exact T. Look at this, man. I went 2 for 2 on the day. Look at these fucking trades. In terms of my trade, I'm going to quickly show you this, and then I'm going to get into the new money-making game plan, man. I'm going to get straight into the new money-making game plan, because this game plan that I have for you is going to get you green at the speed of fucking light tomorrow, man. But look at this overall trade. So, in terms of my final trade on the day, like I said, before this, I got in calls a bit too early. It was a small 20% profit return. I ended up buying calls towards the gap, gotten a bit too early. But in terms of my final trade, I trade best during the power hour trading session. Let's buy SPY, 587 calls at 67 cents a contract, at 3:38 p.m. 3:38 p.m. You see that? So what we're going to do is we're going to go to 587 calls using last night's game plan. I was able to accomplish this. I bought these calls at the exact lows. This is 3:38 p.m. 2 minutes later, I sold in real time for 148 cents a contract for 100% profit return, man. And then in terms of Uncle Tio, look at all the fucking wins that Uncle Tio had, man. Well, I'm going to get straight into the money-making game plan. Give me one moment. But you tell me, who the fuck do you know is doing this, man? You understand? Look at these fucking trades. I'm going to show you this. This is all alerted 100% in real fucking time, man. We got money-making systems printed at the speed of fucking light. 9:56 a.m. SPX, 5945 puts, 200 an entry, right? 200 a contract. Look at this. Showing everything he's doing in real fucking time. You go to SPX, You go to 5/9/45 puts. You go to where you got in right here. This is where we got in. 9:56 a.m. at the exact lows. Now, in terms of where we ended up exiting those overall puts, you're going to see, man, 500% profit return. Take a look at this, man. This is a 500% profit return. Profit stopped out for a 500% profit return right here at 10:18 a.m. They went from 160s all the way to $1,200 a contract. Where else are you going to risk $160 to make $1,200? And then just an hour fucking later, they went to $2,600 a contract. And you know Uncle Tio says all the fucking time, leave a fucking runner. Look at this, man. Leave one fucking runner, 1,000% profit return. Sold the one fucking runner, right? The lucky fucking runner. Now, with that being said, as soon as he exits the fucking puts, he switches to fucking calls once the SPY is dropping below the fucking gap, man. This fucking game plan that I laid out last night printed to an exact fucking T. This was an exact repeat of January fucking 2nd, man. Right here. 5/9/75 calls. 10:50 a.m. Right? Entry is 170 a contract. Showing you the play in real fucking time. You go to 10:50 a.m. on 5/9/75 calls. Look at this. At the exact fucking lows, all the way from 200 to fucking 600. Fucking 200% profit return in the span of fucking 10 minutes, dude. Who the fuck do you know is doing this, man? Are you awake? Do you understand? These are the best fucking option traders on the fucking planet. If you want to make a fuck ton of money, it's the first link down below within the description. In terms of G-Roar started off the morning on the red, and then we ended up buying 5/9/10 SPX calls for 130 a contract at 3:53 p.m. If you go to this overall trade, you're going to see right here, if we pull up the 5/9/10 calls, you're going to see we ended up buying these calls towards the exact lows. This was shortly after I made a 100% profit return on SPY calls. And then you're going to see right here, this consolidation was literally a 100% profit return. This is where we got in on the calls at 110. And then they quickly went to 270 a contract. Your profit stopped out above the 220 range. Non-stop fucking winning, man. Now, let's get into the money-making levels. This is going to be the new game plan, man. So, for those of you who are serious about fucking making money, well, I'll give you the levels, right? But in terms of decades of experience in multi-fucking millionaires, I don't think you're going to be able to trade these levels as good as fucking us, man. I mean, did you buy the fucking SPY calls at the exact fucking lows at 3:38 p.m. during the power hour trading session? Did you make the fucking 1,000% profit return on SPX fucking puts like fucking Teal did? And then in terms of G-Roar, he called out 100% SPX fucking play. Teal called out a 300% play after his 1,000% play. Dude, who the fuck do you know is showing you this, is fucking doing this in real fucking time? So, in terms of the new money-making game plan, that's going to print at the speed of fucking light, non-fucking stop tomorrow, it's going to be very fucking simple. If the SPY gaps the fuck up, it's going to be a gap and fucking go, and we're going to buy fucking calls at the break and fucking retest level. Got it? Very, very fucking simple. If the SPY opens up higher than 588.63, we're going to buy fucking calls at higher resistance levels. Break above resistance, drop back down, retest. Bullish 30-minute candlestick confirmations at the levels, buy the fucking calls. So, in terms of the overall levels, man, this is going to be very fucking simple. If the SPY is gapping up, I'm expecting a gap and fucking go, an overall strong bullish close in terms of the levels, right? So what we're going to do is, for the overall trend to flip super fucking bullish here for the fucking micro, it's going to be right here, previous support. Previous support is going to be the first overall level, 590. If we are seeing 590 react as a support and the SPY is gapping up, that is the first level to buy calls for the break and retest for the gap and go. Right? So if we're gapping up, we're focusing on calls at the higher fucking levels. If we're gapping down, reacting bearish, we're focusing on calls at the lower fucking levels. In terms of fucking tomorrow, I am not interested in buying put options at this point in time. I told you in terms of this overall week, it's going to be a bullish week. We are at very oversold levels. Based off the patterns that I'm seeing, the best plays are going to be call fucking options. So 590 is the first level for the break and fucking retest. The next fucking level is going to be 592. This is the next resistance level. The next level above that is going to be 592.50. The next level above that is going to be 593. Those are the three fucking levels where if the SPY gaps up and we see a bullish 30-minute candlestick pattern floor, if we see a break and retest, we're going to be buying call options towards those levels for a gap and go. In terms of the overall ladder, the ladder would be 590, 591.50, 592.50. Next resistance level, 593.60. Next resistance level above that is going to be 596. Next level above that is going to be 597.60. Next level above that is going to be 599. Next level above that, 601.50 is the best fucking level to buy put options. Now, if the SPY is reacting bearish or if the SPY is gapping down, the game plan is to buy call options at the lower levels. In terms of the lower levels, it's going to be 584.53. So in terms of the overall SPY, there's support right here at 586.70. What we're going to do is we're going to subtract 2 fucking points, 584.70, and then there's a gap that's waiting to fucking fill here at 584.70 for a gap reversal. If the SPY is reacting bearish, if we are maintaining below 588.63, if we're starting to drop under 588, I want to buy fucking calls at 584.70. If the SPY reacts fucking bearish, we're buying fucking calls at 584.70, no fucking questions asked. If the SPY's reacting fucking bullish, gapping the fuck up, we're focusing on the higher fucking levels. Now, in terms of without fucking confirmation and just get the fuck in, dude, if we drop the fucking 584.70, I'm in fucking calls. That's the fucking game plan, man. This game plan is basically the same exact fucking game plan as yesterday, man. In terms of the fucking market and the game plans that it's giving us the night before, it's on fucking fire. You should be printing money at the speed of fucking light, non-fucking stop. You should be making hundreds of dollars, thousands of dollars every single fucking day. You should be making multiple 100% profit returns. In terms of predictability right now, in fucking plays, the market is at all-time fucking highs on fucking fire, man. Who the fuck do you know is buying SPX puts at the fucking lows, selling for 1,000% return in 30 minutes? Who the fuck do you know, after buying SPX puts, selling for 1,000% return in 30 minutes, switches to SPX calls at the exact fucking lows, sells for a 270% profit return? Who the fuck do you know buys SPY fucking calls at power hour at the exact fucking lows for a 100% profit return? And then Giro comes in shortly after that for a 150% return on SPX fucking calls, dude. Do you understand? You guys are fucked if you are not in this fucking group. I give you the levels, I give you the curriculum, I give you the fucking plan. If you use this fucking shit, you should be going fucking green, you should be making fucking money, you should be printing at the speed of fucking light before you even join the fucking group. But you don't stand a fucking chance in terms of making trades like us. It's just simply not fucking possible, dude. It's gonna take decades of fucking experience to get to this fucking level, man. Who the fuck do you know is doing this? Who the fuck do you know is printing this fucking big, winning this fucking big, winning this fucking consistent every single fucking day, man? This is another fucking day. You could have 4 wins that yielded over a 1,400% profit fucking return, man. Nobody's on our fucking level. If you are serious about trading and making money, join Team Roar. It is the first link down below within the description. We are printing non-stop at the speed of fucking light. The amount of fucking members who join here and make $1,000 every single, man, I've seen it. New members join. They're printing thousands of dollars their first fucking week, man. This is the best fucking investment you can make within the fucking market. Trading alongside multimillionaires. Trading alongside traders who have decades of fucking experience trading options. Trading alongside the best SPY and SPX fucking trades you are ever going to fucking see in the fucking market, dude. Like, come on, man. Look at all the fucking results. Look at all the fucking gains. Big shout out to Christian. You know, he's been a very respectful and a great member to have within the overall community. And he said within 2 fucking minutes, you know, he took my play and he made 100% profit return. Remember the fucking SPY calls I called out at, 3:38 p.m.? Very, very interesting how that was the exact fucking low. You know, look at this. Isn't this some shit? Ain't that some fucking shit? You know, everybody thinks there's so fucking hot fucking shit, right? Well, you want to see what's hot fucking shit? I'll show you what the fuck is hot shit. Uncle Tio alerts puts at the exact lows, sells for a 1,000% return. Then he alerts calls at the exact lows, sells for a 300% return. On SP fucking X, going so far out of the fucking money, you have to click all on Thinkorswim. I selected the max fucking strike on Thinkorswim on option chain. I think it's 14. I couldn't even fucking find the fucking strike. You have to switch to fucking all with this motherfucker. He's going so fucking far out of the fucking money this early on SPX, putting the massive fucking gains, right? So he's fucking doing that. And then I'm doing this. You want to see what the fuck I'm doing? I'm the fucking power hour fucking king. This is when I trade best. I trade best during the power hour trading session. Now, in terms of look at what I fucking did, it's like, dude, 3:38 p.m. Do you understand? I was watching SPY all fucking day. Look at these fucking contracts. Calls are getting fucking destroyed. They're going all the way fucking down. These fucking calls, 500 a contract, all the way down to fucking 60 cents a contract. I could have bought here. I could have bought here. I could have bought here. I could have bought. I bought that exact fucking low. This is the fucking low. 3:38 fucking p.m. That's the fucking low, man. What the fuck? Are you fucking seeing this, man? Who the fuck is showing you this? 3:38 p.m. It's fucking timestamped. 3:40 p.m. Sold at 148. The exact fucking peak. Fucking Uncle Tio, man. You want me to show you fucking again, man? I feel like I have to show this shit twice just for you to comprehend on how fucking insane this shit is, man. Nobody is fucking printing like us. There's not a single fucking person in this fucking planet who is printing like us at the speed of fucking light, man. You tell me. You fucking tell me. Who the fuck do you know of? What person, what fucking group, what multimillionaire on the fucking Forbes list do you fucking know of who's doing this, man? Do you understand? Profit stopped out for 500%. Class is fucking dismissed. You put in fucking 200. You flip it to fucking $1,000 in fucking 10 minutes, man. Where the fuck are you going to be able to risk 200 to make a fucking grand? This is unlimited, non-stop fucking winning, man. Just look at the fucking results, man. It is written 100% in real fucking time. The amount of fucking members that we have that are making $500 to $1,000 a day is in the multiple hundreds, man. It is non-fucking stop winning. The percentage gains will always outweigh the percentage losses. 1,000% gain means you can have 9 losses in a row at 100% and still be profitable. And we never have fucking losing streaks. And we're always winning fucking massively, man. We rarely have 2 losses in a fucking row and we win non-fucking stop, man. But look, man, I'm showing you everything. This is what you're missing out on. You're missing out on the best fucking options trading community on the fucking planet. If you are not in this fucking group, this is the best investment you can possibly make. If you want to trade alongside the best option traders. So that's what I'm just trying to fucking show you, man. Like in terms of the fucking results and what you can experience inside of our community, it's truly fucking game changing, man. Like it's fucking insane. Just yesterday, he made a fucking 500% fucking return on these SPX fucking, like, dude, nobody fucking prints like us. Nobody fucking prints like us. That was fucking yesterday. And then fucking today, look at the fucking play, man. 5,945. SPX fucking puts. It's fucking right in front of your fucking face. You know how much fucking money this guy is making fucking people? He was on a winning streak from fucking October to fucking January. He finally had a fucking red day, and then he comes back with all these 1,000% fucking wins. How the fuck is that even fucking possible, man? What the fuck? All we do is fucking win, man. Nobody's fucking like us. Nobody fucking prints like us. 9:56 fucking p.m. Fucking 590. It's like, dude, come on, man. Come on, man. Let's be fucking real, man. Who's showing you this? Who's putting you on to the best fucking traders in the fucking world? Who's putting you on to the best fucking levels in the game before the market opens to make you money before you even join the fucking group, man? There is no fucking excuse to be red. Losing is a personal fucking choice. 9:56 a.m., man. 5,945 puts. 9:56 a.m. Do you understand? This is the low. The low is here. 3 minutes later, we're in on fucking puts. When we buy the fucking puts, the fucking volume is at all-time fucking highs on the fucking day. Do you know how many fucking members we have behind these fucking puts? Look at this. It goes from fucking 100 to fucking 2,600. And then it goes to 53 fucking hundred. One contract at 200 turned into 5,000 fucking dollars, man. Like, fuck. And then I showed you, man, the fucking calls. This is back-to-back fucking winnings. The fucking game plan worked to the fucking T. But at the end of the day, you can have fucking levels. You can have game plans. You can have fucking strategies. You can have great information. But who the fuck is gonna trade it best? Who the fuck is gonna trade it best? Who's gonna pick the strike that is the cheapest and the lowest risk? Who's gonna hold it for a long period of time, create trading systems, set profit stops, and make the biggest percentage gains in the market? Who the fuck is the best, man? Wake up, man. Come on, I'm trying to put you onto the fucking game, man. 10:53 a.m., 1,000% fucking gain. And then as soon as he gets out of the fucking puts, he switches to fucking calls, man. SPX 5975 calls. 1050A fucking M, man. Who the fuck do you know is doing this? This is the low. 2 minutes later, just like the fucking puts, gets in, and then exits right here, profit stopped out, 600, 2 to 600. So look, man, if you want to make some fucking money, click the fuck off of this fucking video, click the link in the fucking description, and join our group. Our members are printing money non-fucking stop. Losing in fucking red is a personal fucking choice. If you are in another fucking group that is not fucking printing like fucking crazy and you're not making fucking money like crazy, get the fuck out of that fucking group and come print with us. Come fucking join us. You're gonna fucking see, man. It's non-stop, unlimited fucking winning. The gains and the fucking results speak for them fucking selves, man. You know how many fucking members portfolios look like this? I see it all the fucking time. It's a straight fucking arrow. They buy the fucking contracts and their fucking portfolio is a straight fucking line into the fucking stratosphere. That's what we're trying to do. We are creating the biggest fucking network in the fucking planet. In terms of our collective and network combined, it's going to be making multiple hundreds of thousands of dollars every single fucking day just trading options alone. So you tell me, what the fuck is that going to look like a decade from now? Because we're definitely going to be expanding. It's not just going to be fucking options. We're going to be doing massive fucking things inside of our fucking networks, man. So if you're serious about fucking making money, it's the first link down below with the description. If you do not invest into yourself, you will get left behind. I can assure you, man. Look at this. 595 puts $7 fucking thousand. It's like, dude, if he would have went with the SPX fucking puts, would have been up 1,000%. SPX puts 1,000%, SPY puts 200%. It's like, dude, some people don't want to make 70 fucking K. So with that being said, man, I'm telling you, this fucking community, all-time highs every single fucking day. And in terms of the activity, it's fucking active and it's fucking insane, man. It is fuck you money in here. The members are fucking amazing. I'm telling you, man. We got a member in here. He's on the Forbes list. He's been with us for 2 years now. Keaton Wynn, man. He's a multi-millionaire. Like I said, who the fuck do you know is making those fucking trades, man? Come on, drop a single fucking name. We will wire $20 fucking thousand into your fucking account. Drop a single fucking name. A single fucking group that showed you what the fuck I just showed you. Drop the fucking name, man. Nobody can drop a fucking name because nobody's fucking doing this shit but us. We're the fucking best. So, man, if you want to make fucking money, it's the first fucking link. It is the first link down below with the description. If you want to fucking print like fucking crazy, we're going to go fucking off tomorrow, man. It's only fucking Tuesday. You understand how big the fucking gains are? We're just getting fucking started. The week that's fucking started. It's the first link down below with the description. With that being said, I'm signing the fuck off, man. I'd suggest you get in here. You'll gain access to our community in a zero-day options trading alert system. Zero-day options trading alert system, just to quickly go over it. We do not use stop losses. We set profit stops. We do not use stop losses. We trade the fucking trend. Our max risk per trade is everything we're putting in to the contracts. So if the contracts expire 0 and go to fucking worthless, the most we lose is our max risk per trade. This also allows us to remove the stop loss, right? So we have the entire day for these contracts to go green or to go deep in the money for even massiver gains, right? Very, very simple. Risk management 101. Everything you're putting in is what you're willing to risk. Your max risk per trade, right? So instead of our multiple being stopped out by a stop loss, it doesn't work like that. If the contracts go to 0, that's our R multiple. That's what we lose. We never get stopped out on trades. We rarely sell for losses. We trade the trend. If we don't time the trade properly, eventually it comes back to life. If we're down on a trade, instead of adding to a loser, we buy a second strike. It tends to be timed perfectly, and it tends to go up a lot more than the first strike, and both of the strikes tend to print. We hold our trades for massive fucking wins. We sell for the biggest percentage gains within the fucking market. This is the best zero-day options trading alert system you are ever going to fucking see. This is the best style of trading for those of you who trade with real fucking money, man. Look at this in terms of members. And some of our members, they trade with prop firms. They trade futures. That's their fucking choice. I'm not getting into that. However you want to use our system is to your advantage. You can use it directional. There's a lot of different ways to use trade alerts and to use trading systems, you know, to your overall advantages. I've seen we have some members who trade, you know, with the overall prop firm accounts, right? But at the end of the day, in terms of what we trade, it's zero-day options, you know, and you need to understand that sometimes we're down 70 to 90% on these plays and we're not selling for losses and they come back to life and go in the money. So if you're trading on a fucking prop firm, you better make sure you're not going to get fucking stopped out and you're not sizing it fucking big, or you're not going to be able to trade in that particular way. far out of the money option contracts will give you the most options in this fucking market to fucking destroy everybody else in the fucking market. This is the easiest way to win in the market once you figure out the fucking system, man. Problem is, people use stop losses and they size in too fucking big and they don't hold their fucking trades and they don't sell for fucking big wins. 1,000% win means you can lose 9 times in a row at 100% and still be overall profitable, man. But look at this. I'm going to walk you through this, man. I'm going to show you, man. People are getting results like fucking crazy, man. I'm going to walk you through this. So in terms of this overall trade that I made, man, that was literally timed at the exact fucking lows. Christian absolutely crushed it with 200%. We had a member asking what was the expiration on the contract. It's like, dude, we only trade 0-date options. And if we're not trading SPY and we enter a stock play and it's not Friday where there's no 0-date options on the stock, we're going with the closest expiration. You shouldn't be asking that overall, question, right? We're always trading 0-dates. And if we trade a stock before Friday where there is no 0-dates, then we're going with the closest expiration. Understand? We're day trading. This is a day trading group. This really isn't a scalping, get in, get out, small fucking win. We don't really do that. At times, when it makes sense, we'll get out quickly if the market gives us that big move in a sense. But this is a day trading group. Day traders make massive fucking gains. Scalpers make a fuck ton of trades, over fucking trade, use stop losses, sell for fucking small wins, and they never fucking win big, and they never measure for big winning moves. They train themselves to trade like a fucking degenerate. Now, it's very, very simple. When you just focus on day trading, the best fucking setups at the best fucking prices, man. So, like I said, man, we focus on the best fucking trades, right? You see a lot of people, they just sell fucking courses. They don't show their fucking trades. Every single fucking trade we're in, we show. These are the best fucking trades you're ever going to see in the fucking market. We had a fuck ton of people buy that fucking dip. They made a 100% profit return in 2 fucking minutes, man. Do you understand? As soon as they take the fucking trade, it's just fucking up. So right here, you could see $700 overall game, man. It's just non-stop fucking winning. And then after that, G-Work called out a 100% profit return. So our format is not going to work for everyone, but it works for many, many people, but it will take time to figure out. If you think you're just going to be able to come in here and just copy people's trades and have their success, it's not going to be that simple, dude. Use this system and our trades to your overall advantage. The way to learn how to trade is to trade. Now, if you trade alongside us, the learning curve is going to speed the fuck up and you're going to learn so much within this overall community and learn a lot on how you use our overall trades with your overall confluence and then following some of the trades as well. I'm telling you, we have a system that works and it makes people fucking money and it prints at the speed of fucking light, man. Look at that, year to fucking date already. 58% profit return. Who the fuck do you know is printing non-fucking stop, unlimited fucking gains? Look at this, man. G-Work said invested trade can't even get a fucking W this year. You know how many 1,000% profit returns we called out the fucking lows? It's like, honey, humble for who? Humble for fucking who? Where's the fucking competition? Does anybody know? Did the geniuses in the fucking comments know? Where the fuck's the competition? Who fucking prints like us? I say that all the fucking time. Nobody has an answer. That's fucking correct. That's why we don't wire them to 20 fucking K. Nobody fucking prints like us. Humble for fucking who? We're at the fucking top. Nobody's fucking here. Do you understand? Nobody's at the fucking top, man. The fuck? Wake the fuck up. If you want to fucking print, it's the first link down below in the fucking description. You're going to see something that's real. This group is so fucking real. You're going to know if trading is for you or not. If you're in a fake fucking group, you're not going to know if trading is for you or not. You join our fucking group, it's real, and you'll find your answer. Some of you are gonna be like, dude, these guys are fucking beasts. I just can't fucking do it. It's just not for me. And that's okay. Trading is not for everybody. 98% of traders lose money. That's completely okay, dude. But you're gonna see, man, with us, you're gonna see it's fucking real. You're gonna get a fuck ton of experience with real fucking traders. You're gonna learn, you're gonna fucking print, and you're gonna love the fucking community, and you're gonna love the trade alert system, man. I'm telling you, nobody's fucking doing it like us, man. So, if you want to fucking make money, it's the first link down below within the description.